Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. And today we're unboxing Rachel Zoe's winter box of style, and I'm so excited because I actually don't know what's in it. So I'll be super surprised. But I have to recommend two books. This is Love, Style, Life by Garance, Dore. And oh my gosh, look at this. She starts with like my essentials, the pencil skirt, the pumps. Then she goes on to like the clutch, the sunglasses. It's a fashion book and style book that I highly recommend. I love her so much. So, and then this, for the spirit book is actually the Magnolia story, Chip and Joanna Gaines. I love them so much. How adorable are they? Oh my gosh, they just had their 5th child this year and they're so amazing. It talks about how their faith started their company. The story, literally, you have to read it. They're so precious, and it's a great story. And I heard they are going to have a show back on TV, but I don't know what it's called yet, and they're changing networks, I think. So I'm really excited and looking forward to that in 2019. So with that, let's get straight to the box. Okay, first of all, look at this adorable bag. It has a long strap and a short one. It's like a little shopper's bag, Tote. How cute is this? This is by Jules K. So that is a great bag. I'm so excited. So then, look how gorgeous this is. Box of style. So for the winter box, we'll get right into it. They always give you a little pamphlet that shows what's in it and the company and whatnot and how much. So it's got all the information in there, and let's get started. So first of all, Amika, this is Soothing Balm, Velvet Dream Soothing Balm. Oh my gosh. Tame the frizz into submission and lock in soft smoothness. Okay, my hair is actually frizzy normally, so I'm actually excited about this. So this is a great product. I actually have their serum too. It's like before you blow dry your hair. So love this brand and really excited about that. So good. Okay, I'll definitely be using that. Then we've got Luna Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley. Oh my gosh, okay, how amazing is that? Retinol, says here, works throughout the night to deliver youthful looking, luminous, even-toned skin in the morning. Thank you very much. I will be loving that. I'll be using that tonight. So Luna by Sunday Riley, very cool. Then we've got something in a little black pouch. Love AJ. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, okay. Love this. It is a rose gold ring. Oh my gosh, how amazing is that? I'll be wearing that maybe New Year's Eve. What do you think? Love that. Okay, that's adorable. And then finally, this is something, okay, Eddie Borgo from New York, and it is a watch. Oh my gosh, okay, this is actually really pretty. Again, rose gold and really elegant. I actually love this. Look at that, that's so amazing. Okay, I love that. So pretty, so elegant. This reminds me, okay, if you are not watching Lydia Lees-Millen, do yourself a favor and look at her channel, but she did a watch like this. I think it was from Ted Baker. So anyways, that reminds me of that. So hot tip there. And then also my hero item of the day is this shawl, because this is Rachel Zoe from, I think, last winter or last fall. It's so great. I wear this on the plane, and it's great because if you're wearing black, you wear it this way, and if you're wearing more white, you wear it that way. And I absolutely love this shawl so much. Also, this necklace is Rachel Zoe past box, and also this little bracelet with little tassel on it. So those are all previous items I've gotten just to show you, get a glimpse of all her style, everything. There's always something in there that I love. I've never been disappointed. Highly recommend it. Rachel Zoe, box of style. Makes a great gift for birthday, Valentine's, Christmas, whenever. Makes a great gift for someone, and you don't have to do the subscription. You could buy one at a time, but I would do this subscription. It's quarterly subscription box, and I love it. So So give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.